Hello everyone, welcome back to this another video on Google Earth Engine. My name is Lalit from MapHunters. Today we are going to explore about how to clip satellite imagery of our specific region using the Google Earth Engine. In our previous video in Google Earth Engine, we learned how to upload our shape files in our asset. If you don't know, go to the assets, click in new and select the file type. For example, if you want to upload shape files, click here, then select the file from your local disk, and then you can upload here. So I have already uploaded a shape file of Nepal here. Let me import this. So if you click in this arrow, you can import the shape file and you can name it Nepal. For this example, I am going to clip the satellite imagery of the district. To clip that imagery, first we need to clip the dialect district from whole other districts of Nepal. For that, I'm giving a variable name AY, that means area of interest, is equal to Nepal. This Nepal dot filter bracket EE dot filter dot is equal to. If you see in the assets Nepal, all the name are under the column of dist underscore en, and the one district that we want to select is dialect. So I'm writing the name DIL is dialect. Let me run this. It runs successfully. Let me add that AY to our map. For that, I'm going to write map dot add layer, and I'm going to write AY. I'll keep this parameter blank and giving its name, layer name is dialect. Let me run this. Once I click run or press Control Enter, you can see there is one layer here, dialect, but we can't see dialect because it is centered around the United States. To focus our center in our region of interest, where we need to center this using map dot center object, and name of our object is UI, and the zoom level is, for example, 10. Now if you run this, you will see our map is centered around dialect district. Now we have clipped the region of interest from whole districts of Nepal. Now we are going to import a satellite imagery. For this, I'm going to use Landsat 8 imagery. So import satellite imageries Landsat 8. Sorry, 8. So these forward slashes are for comment. Comment is something that Google Earth Engine store, but it will not run once when you click the run here. So for satellite imagery of Landsat 8, in the search bar we simply type Landsat 8. You can see there are various type of Landsat imagery. This is the TOA reflectance, top of atmospheric reflectance, real-time raw scenes. So basically when we use the satellite imagery, we use this Landsat 8 collection 2 tier 1 TOA. Simply click here and you can either copy this snippet or you can simply import. For this tutorial, I'm going to copy this snippet and write here a variable. To make variable, you have to first write var name. For example, Landsat is equal to, I'm simply going to paste this. So from the code, you can understand that this is a image collection. From image collection, you want to select one image. For that, you are going to filter something here in this image. For example, we are going to filter meta data. So for metadata, we are going to select only those images that has the cloud cover less than certain percentage. Let's explore this once. You can see that there is the band. Band is from 1 to 11, and you can see the image properties. There is cloud cover, and this should be in percentage. Now we are going to copy this cloud cover. So here we are going to write here cloud cover is less underscore than, for example, 10 percentage. And we are going to filter our boundary. For that you write filter bounds. Our boundary is AOI. So I'm going to put AOI. From this image collection, I want only the first image that appears, which has cloud cover less than 10%. So I'll write, sorry, first, and use clip UI. Okay, let's run this. You see, no image has been displayed here because we haven't added that image. For that, map.add layer. Now we want to add the first image that has cloud cover less than 10%, and that is clipped to our region of interest. So I'm going to write Landsat. So if you don't know what is this bracket, so in this bracket we give the visualization parameter, but right now we are not giving any visualization parameter. We'll add that later. So I'm going to give it a name, 8. If we run this, so you see, when we add another layer is added here. So in this Landsat variable, I use mean instead of first, so it will give me the mean, the value of images that has cloud cover less than 10. And maybe we can use another filter, that is filter date. You can select the custom date. For example, our date is 2024 January 1st to maybe 2024 December 12. Okay, let me run this again. So you see that the Landsat image has been successfully added in our study area. You can identify that from here layer, and you see this is very black. So you use the inspector tool here and click somewhere in this region, you'll see the uh, band value, and maybe this is the feature of Doylec in Landsat. You will see there are 17 band and 17 images. For example, you can see that we don't see any color visualization here. So there are a different band combination in any type of imagery that you can use to visualize. For example, in Esri 8, you can see the natural color band composition is 432. Then false color composite, color infrared, agriculture, a lot of combination you can do. So now for this tutorial, let's visualize this in 432. That's a natural color band. So to that, just click in this setting button, assign the band for 3 and 2. When you stretch it by 2 standard deviation and apply, it will look something like this. Okay, just make it a full, and this is the natural color. And you can see these white dots are cloud cover because we use filter above, where we mentioned that cloud cover should be less than 10. So there are some cloud cover here, and if we use if we import this visualization, so it came here in our import section. Let name it with beige. So we can use this beige in here. For example, we keep it blank. So now we can write beige here, and it will show the same imagery like before. We use the visualization parameter here. So if you want to export, so use the export export dot export. Okay, use this export image and to drive. So if you press Ctrl plus Shift together, all the description will come here. Just use this. So for example, the image, the name of our image is Landsat. So write Landsat description, image of the lake. You can't give space here. So folder means the folder in your Google Drive where you want to store. For example, I want to store this in my GE image. So let me clear all these. And region. Region means region of our interest, and the region of our interest is the lake, and we have provided AOI variable for the lake. So I'll give it AOI. And scale means the resolution. The resolution of Landsat 8 is 30 meters, so I'm giving it 30. Then I'll remove this and all others. Okay, and max pixel, I'm going to give it 1e30 and close this bracket. And if I run it now, it will you see there's a task button and there is option to run this. So if I run this, it will give the resolution name of this space. Just click run. So in a while it will run and it will be exported to your drive. Once you click run here, you see it shows some mistakes here, and the error is exported band must have compatible data types, and the types are float 32 and 64. To export any images, you need to have a same type of data. So for this tutorial, we are going to add one another filter here where we select band 4, 3, and 2, but you can choose any other band you want to export. So if you add this filter, then it will smoothly run and it will export your images to your Google Drive. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching this video. For such other videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Map Mentors, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.